Behavioral segmentation is a term that is commonly used in the industry of marketing. It involves the division of populations based on behavior. That is, the way in which a population responds to knows or uses a product. The behaviors of consumers is often studied when it comes to marketing management because there are numerous considerations that most consumers take prior to making a decision about a product or service. There are different forms of segmentation. Buying for occasions is one of the forms, as certain products are targeted based on occasions. There is also the benefits sought. There are numerous products that are targeted based on benefits sought by customers. Marketers are able to divide populations by the benefits that they seek from a product. Loyalty is another form that is factored in. There are two primary ways in which businesses grow. They do this by collecting new consumers and retaining existing ones. The higher the loyalty a customer has for a service or product, the higher the consumer base is expected to increase. This is just one other behavior that most marketers tend to focus on. The strategies that are used for brand loyal customers may differ from those applied for getting new customers. Usage rate is another thing considered. In commercial and residential segments, usage can be presented in form of lesser, heavy or moderate. Certain customers may be targeted by their usage. For instance, beauty salons may target customers who typically use personal care products on a regular basis, and not those who do not use them. Another commonly applied segment is buyer readiness stage. In this, individuals are grouped according to readiness to buy products. This is especially useful for monitoring and formulation marketing communication strategies in order to get consumers to purchase a brand or product. There are 6 main stages in buyer readiness: awareness, knowledge, liking, preference, conviction, and purchase. Any kind of product or service that is not targeted toward the entire population or masses may employ this. This is also beneficial for niche products. These items are known to focus on the wants and needs of customers. The main objective with this and other forms of marketing is to learn more about the consumer and use that knowledge in order to implement the best strategy for bringing in and keeping consumers. The strategy taken with this will vary from marketer to marketer, service to service, and product to product. Generally speaking, this is a form of market segmentation that is more focused on behavioral patterns. This process divides consumers in the market into groups that are based on their responses, uses, attitudes, and knowledge of products. It involves the close study of patterns that are displayed by consumers when they make buying decisions. This also allows producers to alter and adapt marketing strategies and approaches to fit certain groups. Behavioral segmentation is employed in marketing as a way to target specific consumers. It is considered a more detailed form of market segmentation, which divides the market into different consumer groups with common needs. Through this division, more effective strategies can be made to target customers based on their desires and needs. With behavioral segmentation, great focus is placed on the behaviors or patterns of consumers while making purchases.